Have you been in a remote 101 recently where you asked your team member, how do you feel about your growth? And your team member actually smiled, nodded politely, and then resigned 2 months later. Or you tried giving critical feedback over Zoom and it sounded like you were breaking up with them. Meet ElevinAI, your manager superpower in a remote first world. No more guessing games, no more awkward growth conversations. Just clear, caring, human conversations fueled by AI. And yes, we save careers, one feedback note at a time. Let's see how this works. If you have a team member who is not doing so great with respect to the team average, it's okay. We help you be more aware about it by identifying performance competencies where they need to improve and also potential competencies that they have not been rated on and that they need to improve upon. Not just that, we help you be more aware as a manager by providing a feedback sentiment distribution, helping you be aware how critical you have been on their feedbacks and how positive you have been on their feedback. In this case, for example, probably you've been beating up the guy too much. So why don't you look at their strengths? What are some of the areas that they are doing good at, and assign tasks accordingly, and maybe also be aware of some of their areas for improvement so that you can help them manage it. Now, as you do so for your next 101, you want to go and select the team member, prepare some notes for the meeting. As you do so, you can actually convert most of your 101s, which happen to be project conversations, into more meaningful and impactful growth conversations. You start with identifying strengths that this person has been doing great at, identify those improvement areas that, and with some examples that basically you have fed into the system by means of your feedback. What impact does that improvement have? You follow it up with that, help them know it matters, why we should improve on those areas. Follow it up with recognitions, what this person has done recently, and that only can happen when a manager continuously observes and provides feedback into ElevinAI's system. Then follow it up with some readings that the system provides to you so that you can be good in terms of what recommendations you make for reading, and also help them set goals that will help them be better and have your conversation more action oriented. Wear a coach's hat and actually ask questions which are more focused on helping the individual self-reflect and identify how can they be good in what they are doing. Top it up with a closing summary, a motivational note that keeps the team member engaged and helps you be more impactful as a manager. All of this in one platform, ElevinAI. So sign up today and check for yourself how you can be the most effective manager in a remote first setting. Message me if you want to have a quick demo.